Hello and welcome to today's video. Hello and welcome to today's video. Yes, my hair is shorter. This is definitely the shortest my hair has ever been in my entire life, but I'm really loving it. It's light and yeah, it's really super short. What do you think? First of all, throw me a comment below. I'd love to know your thoughts on the short hairdo. And today's video is all about using Tarte cosmetics for a makeup look. As you can see, it is a gold and brown shimmery look that is pretty neutral, pretty easy for the day-to-day. You could wear this to work, you could wear this out, you could wear this wherever you want. Hey, it's your life, do what you want to do. You can wear this basically anywhere. You could wear this to a pajama party, because that's what I'm wearing it to. If you've been watching my makeup videos, you've probably noticed that I have a little bit of a problem with skin sensitivities and allergies and things of that nature. So I have been on a kick to find and use brands that are all about natural skincare, allergies, hypoallergenic. Of course, we're always looking for cruelty-free and vegan. So that brings us to today. That brings us to right here and right now. We are all about Tarte today because you know what? Tarte deserves some really special love. I have been absolutely loving their stuff lately, and I have a couple of palettes here that I can't wait to show you guys today. So we're going to be using a couple of things, namely we're going to be using the Tartelette palette that I actually got for Christmas this year. Thank you, Amy, for this palette. I've also got the Tarte Double Duty Beauty palette, which we'll be throwing into the mix in this video. And lastly, an oldie but goodie. This is the Tarte Aspinall Bard palette that I have had for quite a while. It's actually a cheek and eye palette. It has a bunch of colors in here. I've been using this one for a while, and there's a couple colors in here that you'll see me pull out towards the end of the eye makeup look. So if you want to see how this look was put together and create it yourself, keep watching. Let's get going. All right, let's get started on this makeup. As you can see, I'm experiencing some hives and things of that nature from skin sensitivity and allergies. So don't mind this as we're going on. It will likely go away as it usually does when I'm doing my makeup. But yeah, this is all just allergies and skin sensitivities and things like that. So let's see how we do.
love you.
Let me know if anything else.
Okay, I didn't put the french fries on the list. What?
Please put them on.
I'm recording a video. I can't put them. You put them. Oh, let me tell you what they are. Babe. Ore-Ida brand. Ore-Ida is the brand. That is it. Now I'm just going to take my hair down, brush it out a little bit, and we are good to go. This was such an easy makeup day using Tarte makeup palettes. I love their makeup, I love their foundation. I'm a huge fan of their concealer. And if you are new to Tarte or more of the natural makeup brand, it is a little bit different. It's not exactly the same. However, I will say that Tarte has some really awesome products that, as you can see, come out pretty great. So if you've never tried Tarte before, I would definitely consider giving them a chance, giving them a try. You'll see there were also a couple of products that I used that were non-Tarte, namely the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow palette and this highlighter, which is my all-time favorite highlighter. If I had a Tarte brow kit, I would have used it, and if I'd had a Tarte highlighter that was like this, I would have used it as well. But anyway, give Tarte a try. They've got some really good stuff and some great products. And as you can see, you can do your whole face from start to finish using Tarte products. So this is it. This is the final look. You can see it is a gold and brown smoky eye with pretty pink cheeks and a pretty neutral lip. I absolutely love this lip paint. It's awesome. It dries matte, which is really cool. And I'm sure as you noticed in the video, I like my makeup to be pretty matte as well. I don't like when I can feel the tackiness of foundation. So I use a lot of finishing powder at the end to really get a matte feel on it. I mean, when I feel my face, I want it to feel smooth. I don't want it to feel sticky or tacky or anything like that. And if you've been following me for a while or you've known me for a while, you'll know that I really dislike liquid foundations. I'm a big powder mineral girl myself, but I also have been having a lot of allergy issues with mineral foundation. I think probably because it's powder and all those micro minerals are shooting up my nose all the time and into my sinus cavities. So today I actually used all liquid. It was not easy, it was hard. The mineral girl in me wanted to go back over it with mineral foundation just to get that really super matte feel. But I'm going with this for today. I hope you guys loved this video and this look. Please be sure to subscribe for more videos, and I would love to hear what your thoughts are in the comments below. And I will see you on the next video. Bye guys, and have a great week.